қазақ қыздары әлем бойынша ең әдемі дегенге келісесіздер ме? Мен бүгін мұны тексеріп көрейін.
Көршілеріне сұра қайдан көшіп келгенін, Шымкент деп жауап беретініне сөз беремін. Бүкіл Қазақстанда біздің жерлестер, бүкіл универлерде әрине Шымкентте.
Мен шетелдік азаматтарға Мисс Қазақстан байқауының жеңімпаздары мен Жапония, Корея, Үндістан, Қытай елдерінің ең әдемі қыздарының суреттерін көрсетемін. Олар ең әдемі қызды таңдайды. Ол қазақ қызы бола ма? Тамашалайық.
Қыздар-ай, қыздар-ай, қиылған қасың қандай, ашын түс алмам оян, мөлдіреген қалқамай. Қыздар-ай, қыздар-ай, қиылған қасың қандай, ашын түс алмам оян, мөлдіреген қалқамай.
Yes, so many beautiful ladies.
14.
14. Nice choice.
I'd say number 12.
Number?
12.
Let's do it.
Don't hurry.
12.
12, yes. Who is the most beautiful in your opinion? There are different ladies from various countries such as India, Korea, Japan, Kazakhstan. They're attending the Miss Universe.
I don't know, maybe
4? What about you? 12. And why 12? You know, you're not the first who says 12. That's why I'm asking. And
That's my wife.
your wife?
Danny, yeah.
That's great. Korea, India, and etc.
Okay,
So,
okay.
who is the most beautiful according to your opinion? Why? Why? Why?
I said I just don't like pictures.
Which, in my opinion,
Yes, New York.
like it's relative. Like for me, the most beautiful is she. 4.
4.
Yes.
Why?
Sorry. Did
No,
you
it's
got offended
interesting.
by that?
No,
She
it's
seems-
interesting.
She has a beautiful smile and she seems genuine.
Yes.
I like to say
What about you? Maybe you?
It's many choices. You don't
that.
All of them from Asia. Perhaps that's why.
Is she from Asia as well?
Yes.
Damn it, crap! I cannot choose.
Just pick one for you personally. Why all of them?
They are attending Miss Universe.
All of them are attending Miss Universe.
Yeah. Which one? This?
Yep.
13. Okay, thank you. So,
Oh, cheers. Thank you.
yeah, good luck to you and your wife.
Thank you.
Yeah. Which number?
10.
10. Wow. Wonderful.
Say 5.
You would say 5.
Yeah.
Which one? 5. This one. Oh. Do you know that she's from Korea? Yeah. They are all Asian ladies.
Yeah. Oh, they're all beautiful.
So,
Pick one.
yeah, just one.
Okay.
So, do you like Asian ladies? I mean, do they beautiful? Are they
I
beautiful?
like all people.
Oh, good.
People
good,
are
good.
beautiful. There you go, number
What number?
15, there you go.
15, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, nice choice. She's from Japan.
Japan, is that right? Right.
So, have you ever been to Japan?
Never been to Japan, I've been all over Asia.
I am from Kazakhstan, by the way.
Kazakhstan, right?
Yes. You've never heard about Kazakhstan.
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Sometimes
Yeah, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia.
Mongolia, yeah, is what?
Kazakhstan used to be under Russia, Soviet Union.
Yeah, was a part of Soviet Union. Yes.
So how's it now? Is it things good in Kazakhstan?
Yes, sure, definitely.
Yeah, good.
Yes. Kazakhstan is one of the biggest countries in the Central Asia,
Yeah.
and economy is growing up.
with China, in between China and Russia, so
Yeah, it's not easy. You understand?
yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that's why we try to take or position ourselves as a neutral country.
Yeah, neutral country, yeah.
To the Miss Universe.
Yeah.
That one.
This one, yeah, you think?
Yeah,
Number 8.
yeah.
So why? Why do you think?
Because she's the most unique out of all of them.
Uh-huh.
And the lighting and the colors completely a different scheme to all of the rest of the lighting. It's personal preference. I don't think she's the winner. I just like that picture better than the other one.
Hi, how's it going? Yeah. So can you guess? What about you? What do you think? Yes. Portugal. No, I am from Kazakhstan. By the way, I'm a journalist studying at the University of Glasgow. There will be Miss Universe contest, and I want to ask you: can you choose the most beautiful lady from these 15 attendants?
You boy!
Oh, thank you so much.
No, this is a fucking trick. They're all guys. Right, Mike, I'll go first.
What did you say? Don't go for them
I'm going for number 14.
Number 14. What about you?
Number 3.
Why number 3?
The
Number
tits.
3.
The boobies. That's why he's going
She
for
looks
that.
classy.
She's got books. They're dummy. They're fake boobies.
Yeah.
I'm going for number 3.
Number 14's natural.
How's your girlfriend in there?
Al?
Is your girlfriend in there, aye?
No, they are attendants. One of them is from Kazakhstan, the other from India, Korea, Japan.
Well, don't take offence if we don't pick someone from Kazakhstan. It's just personal taste.
You know,
Number 14
okay.
for me. I'll marry her tomorrow. Tony, what? Tony,
Alright,
number 4.
number 4.
Guy.
Aye. There's one of them's a guy now. Just watch what you're picking there.
Can't
mate.
pick the same one as me.
Right, come on, mate. Oh no! Trust you. Unlucky.
Made sure to put her in pink just so you vote.
9. Okay, thank you.
9 because she's got a fucking crown on.
9.
And number 5, let's see.
5.
Get a wee slut in it. Rory.
Ah. Yes.
You want to take it home with him, man? Put it on the wall.
You must have a good taste, yeah? We'll see now.
Aye. He's like, I'll work my way through them all.
We got a young man.
Aye.
What are you going for? 8.
8?
Kazakhstan girl, Kazakhstan girl. Kazakhstan girl.
8? Yes.
Hey!
She's from Kazakhstan. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Brothers in arms.
I am as a representative of Kazakhstan can say nice choice. Жалпылай алғанда 3 азамат, 3 кісі Үндістан әйеліне дауыс берді. Ал біздің қазақ қызымызға 2 ақ дауыс, қалай дегенмен 2 дауыс ода аз емес. Сол бір сөзбен айтқанда, негізі біздің қыздарымыз өте әдемі. Мен үшін қазақ қыздары ең әдемі қыздар әлем бойынша, ең әдемі. Қазақ қыздарын сүйемін және де құрметтеймін.